Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Maricela Toga.
What is your age?
I'm 33 years old.
What year were you born?
I was born year 1982.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family needs and to earn for myself as well.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is Bicol Region.
What is your level of education?
I graduate high school.
Are you married or single?
Single.
How many people are there in your family?
6. 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Are your parents alive?
Yes. My mother is still alive, but my father died.
Do you have financial commitment to support any or all of them?
No.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My brother and my sister.
Do you have any debts, either here or in your home country?
No.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
No.
How many years of experience do you have?
I have work experience in UAE for 1 year and 7 months and in Oman 1 year and 8 months.
What do you enjoy the most about the job?
I enjoy the most about the job is when I'm talking to my employer. I learned the other language and how to communicate with them, and when they bring me outside to see the other places of UAE and Oman.
What do you enjoy the least?
None.
Do you have allergies for food,
No.
drugs, and detergents?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
Cats, I'm afraid.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employers?
To stay calm and be patient.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
No. My boss is working, but my madam is staying in the house.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
In UAE, I do kids, taking care of the kids, and in the Oman, doing housework.
How many hours each day do you work?
More or less 12 hours.
Do you have a first aid kit?
No.
Would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burnt their hand on the iron, what would you do?
I will give him a first aid.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I will talk to him and tell him that what he did was wrong behavior.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino cuisine.
Would you be willing to work to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What do you like to do in your spare time? Do you have any hobbies?
I do surfing the net and reading books and magazines.
Do you have any special skills like dancing or painting?
I love singing.
Now, what is your message to your employer?
Hi, madam. If you hired me, I will do my job very well. Be loyal, patient, hardworking, and can do long hours of work with minimum supervision.
Now, recite or sing one nursery rhyme.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you.